roasted beef sticks, roasted beef kebabs, roasted beef skewers on a sigiri or a charcoal stove with Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. So today I'm going to take you through locally how you can make your beef skewers at home without buying them. So for the new viewers, or if you're watching, please like the video. First like the video. Then if you're watching, or for the new viewers, please subscribe so that you can get daily recipes. So we are going to begin by chopping our meat or chopping our beef. Then after chopping it, we are going to season it. You apply salt. Then we are going either to blend. You blend or you crush garlic and onions. Blend or crush garlic and onions. So me, I just crushed garlic, onions, and ginger. Garlic, onions, and ginger. Then apply some oil and salt. Apply some oil and salt when you are either blending or crushing. Then after, if they are ready, if they have crushed, if they are soft, then apply them in the bowl where you are going to mix your beef from. Then apply Royco. But if you don't have it, you can use any spice. Then apply turmeric and paprika. Apply paprika and turmeric. You apply them for color. Apply paprika and turmeric. You apply them for color. Then after, remember this is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi. Then apply 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Lemon juice. Then after, we are going to also apply the pineapple. Pineapple, it is going to help us to tenderize the beef. Apply, but little. Make sure that you apply pineapple little. Then apply cooking oil. Apply cooking oil. Then after applying cooking oil, you're going to mix. Then apply your your salted the beef or the meat which you salted first. Then you are going to marinate. Yeah, you're going to marinate. Make sure that you mix it well. Then after, you're going to rest it for 10 to 20 minutes, or you can even leave it for a night in the fridge. Yeah, because we need the ingredients to enter the beef. Then we are going to light our sigiri. I'm Chef Josh, as you see me. Then we are going to put hash. We are going to put some hash. Then we are going to we are going to get our skewers or the sticks. We put the beef. Put the beef. In fact, the beef, you chop it, or you dice it. Then put your beef. After applying your beef, we are going to start roasting on low heat. We are going to start roasting on low heat after applying your beef on the skewers. So you can get these skewers in supermarkets or in bakery shops. So start roasting or grilling on low heat. 1, until golden brown. 2, until ready. 2, 3, until dry. So you need it dry, you need it golden brown, you need it ready. So make sure that you roast on low heat. That's why we applied the hash. So if you see that the heat has reduced, you can use a stick just to open the charcoal so that you can get more heat, because we need it golden brown. This is Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. Another thing, if you want to train cookery, bakery, barista, and pastries, you can come and join Super Kitchen School. We train practical hands-on. We have short courses, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and we have advanced certificate is 2 years. Those who come from far, please, we offer accommodation and meals, so you can come and join us. So after, when it is dry, ready, soft, yeah, then you serve with the salad. You can serve with a suitable salad. Then good to go. You taste like you see me how I'm doing it. I love meat. I Chef Josh. I love meat so much. So I'm going to request you, please, after watching this video, share with each and everyone. Share with each and everyone. Invite a group of people to join our classes. Remember, on YouTube we release recipes every day, so make sure that you invite others so that they can join our classes.